Eastern Dairies, a leader in dairy production, embracing a future powered by sustainable energy. Partnering with DSG Energy, Eastern Dairies is set to transform its energy landscape with a 750 kilowatt solar power plant. Featuring Canadian solar panels, renowned for their high efficiency and reliability, this system is built for maximum performance. This project is expected to reduce carbon emissions by thousands of tons annually, saving millions in energy costs and helping the planet breathe easier. At the core of this solar solution, Huawei inverters provide cutting-edge technology, ensuring seamless power conversion and smart monitoring. 750 kilowatts of solar power ensures uninterrupted operations, significant cost savings, and a reduced carbon footprint for Eastern Dairies. Together, Eastern Dairies and DSG Energy are building a future where innovation meets sustainability.